Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, was saying extremely very powerful, extremely very rarest Lord Shiva's nirakar no line puja conch from Indian Ocean. You can see these conches have no lines. Basically, the Indian Ocean puja conch will have three lines, and it is very, very extremely rarest variety, a tiny collection having no any lines. See, actually, even tiny conches have three lines on it, but this having no any lines. Extremely unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It is fully matured conch, tiny Indian Ocean puja conch without no any line. It is called as nirakar. Nirakar puja conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely unbelievable collection. It is very powerful. It's like a diamond from Indian Ocean. This is like diamond from Indian Ocean. See, you can see normally tiny conch have three lines. You can see normally tiny conch have three lines. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So you can see normally even tiny conches have three lines. Is having no any lines. Extremely august collection. Lord Shiva nirakar no lines puja conch from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection. Beautiful. It is like a diamond. It is like a diamond from the Indian Ocean. Totally unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.